Let's say you like to engage in a variety of activities and meet new people during your travels or when you're out and about in town. But you keep giving up on it due to inconveniences or discomforts along the way. Now, let's say you have a gym, a hotel, or a restaurant and wish to increase its appeal during off-peak hours. You probably have facilities that could benefit travelers while benefiting from the monetization of underutilized spaces. This is where BubblesMapper comes in. BubblesMapper connects travelers looking for safe, comfortable places to stay and temporary guests with exceptional sanitary facilities. Let's take an example. Marie wants to take a shower and change before going to an event. She needs access to a changing room for 15 minutes with locker, towel, and soap provided. Marie simply reserves limited access to Alex's gym for €3 and thus has access to secure and comfortable changing room. Everyone wins. The relieved traveler contributes to the host's maintenance costs. If you're a host, register your establishment and describe the amenities provided. Specify your available reception times, indicate the desired contribution, publish your available facilities, and then you can start welcoming your drop-in guests. You save money on your bills, and you help someone with an urgent need. If you're a traveler, select your needs and filters, define your search area, check that the amenities, quality, and rating of the place suit you, book, and head to your location. With BubblesMapper, help improve the living environment and the city's tourist experience, and discover a whole new audience. Don't wait any longer. Download BubblesMapper Pro and help shape mobility. Or visit us at bubblesmapper.com.